Hinahanap ninyo ay isang venue na sosyal pero swak sa budget? This is the place to be. Ang Eastgate Convention Center na pinakabagong events destination sa City of San Fernando. Located sa sentro ng syudad at malapit sa dalawang malalaking malls sa Pampanga. Nitong April 8 ang soft opening nito sa pangunguna ni Pastor Junel Liwanag at Pastora Malu Cruz Liwanag ng City Sanctuary Church na siyang nasa likod ng pagkakatayo ng Eastgate Convention Center.
This place or this building, we believe it is excellent, but it is economical. In other words, this will be your home. Ito may magiging inyong tahanan. Why this place is important? Because we believe that every Fernandino at lahat po ng mga Filipinos, they deserve a place where dreams can be gathered, where celebration can flourish, and where communities can grow.
Dumalo rin si Councilor Tino Dizon at Mayor Vilma Caluwag na bet umanong mag-concert dito.
May amaze ko talagang masanting ya. Kakaibaya. Bala mo bisa akong mag-concert, Nang kanyaman mag-concert kan kasi masanting sound system, ing ambience, tapos dakalya seating capacity second floor, tapos kayong lalam, bala mo na yung ka-perfect combination, Itang pwede ya talagang theater, pwede yung nanumang okasyon. Pasalamat ko mag-invest la kay ni Pastor Junel, inawalang masanting events, place, bakit to, nakalapi pagpilinan, day, tao.
Ang Eastgate Convention Center ay perfect for concerts, weddings, conventions at graduations. Dahil tampok dito ang kanilang malawak na main hall na kaya umano ang 1,700 guests for theater seating at 1,200 naman kung banquet style. If mas elevated at VIP viewing experience ang hanap ninyo, meron itong balcony na may 300 seating capacity. Para naman sa seamless productions, meron din itong technical control booth na nagsisilbing command center para sa lights, sounds, and multimedia na siguradong pang-level up ang bawat event. Mayroon din ditong function rooms na swak para sa mga seminars, meetings, workshops at private gatherings. Fully air-conditioned ang place hanggang sa mga comfort rooms. At kapag kailangan ng quick break, relax muna sa kanilang coffee shop, ang Mana Coffee. Perfect for casual meetings at chikahan over coffee. Ang pinakamagandang balita, mas affordable ito, functional na, budget-friendly pa.
Eastgate Convention Center is very special and unique because we are not just after making money or we are not just making a business here. We are focused on making more purposeful and meaningful events, and we want to make sure that we are supporting the next generation and families.
Since this is a new place where moments turn into memories, present din sa soft opening ang mga supplier ng Pampanga at Central Luzon. Samantala, dito naman gagawin ang Coronation Night ng Mr. Pampanga 2026. Ako po ang inyong Aching Malagu, Jana Lumbang Parungaw, para sa Balitang Balita.